Hi guys, we're back again.
Just wanted to show you some of the upgrades we've been doing, or mainly Mark, but we've been doing them together, haven't we?
Yeah, we haven't put anything up for a little while because the van has been in pieces, so we finally got it back together this morning, so we'll show you what we've done. These are our new lights which we fitted. One there, one here, and we've even put one up there in the toilet. I will show you how they work. You will turn them on.
Oh, maybe it's the other way.
It's the other way. That's better.
Oh, there we go. So like that.
What you can do is you hold your finger on it, it's off, turn it blue, turn it back to light, and then press and hold the button and it will dim. And then press and hold it again and it will go back. How good's that? Obviously Jill hasn't quite learned how to work it yet, but we shall give her some instructions. Now the one in the toilet, we used to have a little battery light in there. In fact it's still there, it's that thing there. But we wired one of these in, which is a round version of the ones in the main area, and it works brilliantly. Blue. Leave it on at night if you want to. Bright. And then slowly dim. How good is that? Press it and hold. And it brightens. It's rather bright actually. And the other good thing about them is you can have them on independently. So you can have one on blue, one on bright, and one off completely, or switch them on individually, which is really good, I think. Worked out really well. The wiring was already there from the old lights, I just upgraded it, and it's switched from up here, a little switch there, so you can isolate them as well. Right, this is our new fridge and our new microwave. It's a 12-volt compressor fridge from Cool, and we built this natty little unit that goes round it and holds it all in place. It's all wired in behind in conduit, which goes behind the seat, and underneath the seat there is all the fuses. This is how our fridge works. I've set the temperatures. It should be set to 4 for the fridge, and we had -18 for that, but the door's been open, so it hasn't set itself up properly yet, but it's so quiet, unbelievably quiet. Right, Jill will show you inside. Door pockets. Now a bottle of wine won't fit in those, but the little tray at the bottom there, if you slide that out, you can get 4 bottles of wine in there, which is rather handy. We did try that, didn't we? Yes, obviously there were other people with us, not just us. And here is the freezer section. You can put whatever you want in there. And that can be removed. And it can be removed as well. So you can have more space in the fridge. Just pull this section out and the whole area is fridge. All wired in, which is good. So that is the fridge. And this is our new microwave. It's only 700 watts, but it seems to do the job. The controls are there, they're only basic ones, but that's all you need. And inside, and it all works really well. We can get a full-size plate in there, and when we're travelling we wrap the plate up with towels just to protect it. Yeah, but this only works off of the 240 hookup at the moment. We're toying with the idea of getting an inverter, but we've got another surprise which we'll show you in a minute. So yeah, but we've got 2 gas burners anyway, so that works out well, portable ones. So yeah, it's all turned out really nicely. This is our new purchase, an EcoFlow River Max, which is extremely good. As you can see, it's got all the USB and USB-C outlets. There's been loads of reviews on these on YouTube, so you don't need to tell you all about them, but we bought it. It's got something called X Boost, which can take it up to 1800 watts for a short period of time, Normally runs at 600. So, but yeah, we're going to use that to charge our laptops, phones, and any other things. Oh, obviously Jill's hair straightener and 12-volt hairdryer.
And you can take the bottom part off it, can't we? The bottom part comes off to make it lighter if we want.
Yes, you can unscrew it here, and then you just have the top section. That's just a battery, the bottom section, and it takes an hour, just over an hour, to charge up. So really good. Happy days. Well, thanks for watching, guys. If you liked anything you've seen, please like and subscribe. Helps grow the channel, and it's free. And also,
if you'd like any details of any of the items we've put in it, leave us a comment and we can let you know where they came from. Yeah,
be happy to. So hopefully we see you in the next one, where we've got another surprise, as we bought something that flies.
Oh, that's going to be fun.
Bye.
Bye.